Here's how to make a feeder filler from a 2-liter plastic bottle. All you need for this project is a 2-liter plastic bottle, a marker, a sharp knife, and a pair of scissors. Start by drawing a 3-inch circle on the side of the bottle about 2 inches from the bottom. Then use a pointed knife to start a hole. Make sure that the sharp part of the blade is pointed away from your hands. Once you have the hole started, you can use the scissors to finish the cutting. Try using the tips of the scissors to make a cleaner circle. You could use the knife, but the scissors are much safer and easier to control. Obviously, you could use a larger or smaller bottle, depending on the size you want for your project. I use a soup can to fill the feeder filler with seed. Once you're ready to fill the feeder, take the screw cap off, and you can support the feeder with one hand while you use the filler to fill the feeder. These are great for filling the narrow soft thistle feeders. For more step-by-step instructions, visit our website at www.wildbirds.net.